Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm doing some fried tilapia fillets. So these are kind of frozen. I'm gonna get these thawed out and then I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I'm doing a little voiceover over this part. So what I have is some cornmeal. I would say use about a cup of cornmeal. I just finished off what I had left in my bag. It doesn't really matter what cornmeal you use. You can use any cornmeal. Pour it in your bowl, and then we're gonna also put some flour in there. So I'm gonna grab my flour, and I'm probably gonna just grab a cup of flour. So I would do 50-50 cornmeal and flour, you know, depending how much fish you're gonna make. I have about 5 or 6 pieces, so you just wanna make sure you have enough. You don't wanna not have enough. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna add some seasoning. So I will put the same seasonings that I normally put in. I usually put in seasoned salt, as you see. Put enough so that, you know, you can actually taste it and have some flavor. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. Sometimes I might put Italian, depends what I'm making, but that's basically the main seasonings that I use. So we're gonna put all this together and mix it up. Alright, our cornmeal mixture is done. Now we're just going to take 2 eggs, whisk them up. You can add seasoned salt if you want. And then that'll be what we use to batter our fish. Alright, so I'm making some coleslaw also to go with this fish. This is easy coleslaw dressing. And you guys know I love allrecipes.com. This one has 1K reviews, 4K made it. So looks pretty good, sounds pretty good. So you need a half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vinegar, some black pepper, and a little salt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up to put on my coleslaw mix. I just bought some coleslaw mix at the store that I decided to use, make it easy. And yeah, I'm gonna whip this up real quick, and then and yeah, go from there. Okay, so I accidentally put too much vinegar in the last one, so I had to start over because it was not good. So I'm just gonna go half a cup of mayo. It said 1 tablespoon of vinegar, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Actually, yeah, so we're gonna go 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then oops. Okay, we're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'm just gonna go like that. Just gonna do that. And then we have to do some sugar, salt, and black pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of black pepper. I don't want to do too much. And a little salt. You'll see, I'll link the recipe for this below. And you can see all that. I'm gonna go grab some more sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is white. I'm doing white sugar. So 1. And 2. Okay, and then that's it for the dressing. Just mix it up like so. Let's see how that tastes. But good reviews, good reviews. Alright, so I added a little seasoned salt to this. So I only can do 2 pieces of fish at a time. That's how big my pan is. So I just dump the fish in the egg. Then I'll move this over so you can see that part. And then I take it, drop it in the cornmeal mix like so. And then just flip it over and make sure it's nice and coated all over like so. And once I have it looking like this, I drop it in the grease. So I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to drop it in the oil like so. And I have it on medium heat. I'm going to let this fry until it looks nice and crispy. Okay, so when it's done frying, it should look just like this. It should be white and flaky on the inside. This is really hot. It should look like that. This is so good. You like tartar sauce? You're good. Throw some tartar sauce on that. We're gonna have some coleslaw and some French fries. So I'm gonna show you what our plates look like. Okay. And usually I cook these until they start floating. So 1 to 2 minutes per side, maybe 3, just depends. Flip them, and then when they're usually floating, they're nice and brown like this, then they're ready to go. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy fish Friday dinner. Give it a try, tell me what you think. Alright, I'm going to show you what our plates look like. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is our dinner tonight. It is fish. I got some French fries. These are frozen French fries from Walmart, and some homemade coleslaw. I didn't chop up the coleslaw. I just bought a pre-made coleslaw mix and I made the dressing. So this is it tonight. I hope you guys give this a try. It is so good. I already tried some of the fish. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.